To enable Quick Instant Access feature to easily open the Quick Panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open the Quick Panel. By default, you can access full Quick Panel by swiping down the top of the screen by using the finger like this. While you are in the Quick Panel, tap the pencil icon at the top of the screen. Tap Quick Setting Instant Access. And then tap the on-off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use this feature from any screen, you can swipe down just one from the right side of the top of the screen. You can see that it now opens the Quick Panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.